Do you believe in a system that cannot be hacked and offers absolute transparency? That is blockchain, the technology reshaping the world. First thing, blockchain. Each block a link. Imagine a chain of treasure boxes, each containing information. Blockchain is a collection of blocks linked together. Each block has a hash, a unique digital fingerprint, and the hash of the previous block, forming an unbreakable chain. Second, hash, the digital fingerprint. Even a tiny change in a block alters its hash completely, rendering the entire chain invalid. This is blockchain's core security mechanism. Third, proof of work, POW, the ultimate defense layer. Blockchain is not easily altered because each new block requires POW, a complex computational algorithm. Modifying one block? You must recalculate the entire chain. Nearly impossible. Fourth, decentralized network. Impossible to control. Blockchain has no central server. Data is replicated across millions of computers worldwide. Want to cheat? You'd need to control over 50% of the entire network. Practically unachievable. Last, consensus mechanism. The final judgment. Every transaction is validated by the network. If over 50% agree, the new block is accepted. Fraudulent transactions? Instantly rejected. Blockchain is not just for Bitcoin, but has applications in finance, healthcare, and management. A game-changing technology. Are you ready to step into the world of blockchain?